Makundi ma Kutisya akisya Maovisa ma Uiiti Kauntini ya Makueni Nimanengane notisya Mithenya kumine na Mayasya Nimeulika Mukomoni Kethiwa Ngavana wa Kaunti na Mutula Kilonzo Jr. Ndethinikia Mathina lamevo kwa Ivinda Maunduni Makonetye Mawithyululuko ma Kuthukumia Matongoew'e ni Mathew Sila wa Kenya National Union of Clinical Officers Makundi ani Mutula mutesilikali kwa kulia kunenga Maovisa ma Uiiti insurance bailu ya maundu ma Uiiti na kwetikilia uteti kulikilela maundu ma Uiiti Kauntini no ya Makueni mulinge no kutwalasa
Mathew Sila ni waoya muno Mawithyululuko matema kwa lela manesi va Kauntini ya Makueni Methiitwe Ivinda kindukila uenda kisio nthini wa Mithenya 10 na yukite vathoko na ouma iweta nimeotwaisya meatianio na kukomea wea.
Whereas we appreciate what the government has done in the return to work, in acknowledging and using the career guideline for clinical officers, even implementation of that career guidelines, I must tell His Excellency that the department is deliberate to ensure it defeats justice. Because when you take some people to the correct job group and others you take them to one job group higher or you fail to take them correctly. For instance, people that were in job group H before the career guideline was implemented for clinical officers were actually taken to J. And then conversion of contracts were converted at J. Where is seniority? So officers who were actually now supposed to have gone to K are still at H.
It
is very much unfair for the government to purport that they stopped contracts, punitive contracts, that is the county contracts, only to replace them with very punitive hospital contracts, which they have made so widespread. We know that the only person who is supposed to employ workers in Makueni is the Makueni Public Service Board. But these ones are being employed by the hospitals. We would like to tell that the people of Makueni that if they have been complaining here and there for substandard services, it's because the people who have been employed are not given the right terms, and so you don't expect somebody who is underpaid to give good services.
Aisongia kia ofisa munene muvene wa Uiiti Kauntini ya Makueni ave muleni wenda ngwatanio ya manesi metekilemeka lenthe manene aiwitata serikali nimeyumbanite kwa unenanya wa kumantha usungi wa vala mekwiwa meathithie.
Our plea to them is to continuously engage because this county government is very open to engagements with unions, and just the same way we treat our partners, we treat unions the same way. So they are important stakeholders, and we have engaged them in almost every single forum that they need to be engaged, including the establishment of a staff establishment. We have minutes, we have attendance lists to confirm that they are part of us. So today, because I think they wanted to get the rest of the issues that are pending or they feel that need to be addressed, we are asking them to come to meetings, and we are ready for meetings as early as even today. Tomorrow we are here to engage, and that is why the office of the ECM is domiciled within a public facility like a hospital like here. It's not outside, so the ECM for health lives within the premises of a facility like this, and we work within those structures.
Matongoew'e TV kuma Kauntini ya Makueni, nyenetwa mulinge.